There is unease among staff at the island's premier tertiary institution this evening after health cards were cancelled by their service provider. The service was cancelled this week over the non-payment of premiums by the University of the West Indies. Details in this report. This is the latest notice unsettling staff at the University of the West Indies Mona campus. A memo dated July 21 from the campus registrar. It reads in part, "Our health cards have been suspended by the Guardian Group Limited. Kindly note, you will have to pay upfront for services normally covered by your health insurance and make a claim for reimbursement." Dr. Donovan Stanberry is the Mona campus registrar.
The situation has arisen due to our inability to make good on our insurance premium payment for this week, because this week is also pay week. Our cash flow is a little challenge, and as a result, the service was suspended, unfortunately.
Unfortunate too for staff who are concerned about the inconvenience. A well-placed source at the university tells TVJ the development has not gone down well with employees who are concerned about what will happen should an emergency arise.
We are working feverishly to have it restored, and we have sought to explain to our staff who would have been affected, and we pointed them to the alternative, that is to access the service, pay for it, and make their claims. We understand that some people will be challenged so to do. It's unfortunate, but it's part of our financial reality, and our staff can rest assured that we are doing our endeavor best to ensure that we get back the service up as quickly as possible.
But cash flow problems at UWI isn't new. This 2013 Gleaner report noted the cash-strapped university was having problems paying bills on time. COVID-19 has only worsened UWI's financial woes. In December 2020, the university was unable to make the traditional early payroll. A 2020 governance report noted the UWI appears to be heading towards financial exigency, which calls for rigorous restructuring in all segments of the institution to reduce operating costs while pursuing feasible means of increasing revenues. A financial exigency is an imminent financial crisis which threatens the survival of the institution as a whole. The health card suspension is just the latest issue bedeviling the UWI. Our source tells us the university is advanced in talks with another health insurance provider, and a meeting was held with staff on Friday discussing the way forward. And it's now time for a break here on Primetime News. When we come back, more local stories.